Begin by launching PowerPoint on your computer. As PowerPoint opens, allow yourself a moment to familiarize with the workspace before proceeding further. This initial step ensures that the application is fully loaded and ready for you to work on your project. Once you see the main interface, navigate to your presentation. If you already have an existing presentation you wish to modify or update, open that file. Otherwise, you can start with a new presentation where you will later add the shape with text. Having your presentation ready sets a clear focus for your creative work. Next, direct your attention to the menu bar where you will find the Insert tab. The Insert tab is designed to offer you a range of creative options, including the ability to add shapes, pictures, and other visual elements to your slides. Click on the Insert tab to reveal these options and prepare to incorporate dynamic graphics into your presentation. Within the Insert tab, locate the option labeled Shapes. Clicking on Shapes will display a gallery of different shape options that you can incorporate into your slide. Take a moment to review the various shapes available. While there are many options, select the shape that best fits the style and message you are aiming to convey on your slide. After choosing your preferred shape from the provided list, draw it onto your slide. This action is performed by clicking and dragging on the slide until you have achieved the desired size and positioning for your shape. Adjusting the dimensions and location is key to ensuring balance and visual appeal within your slide layout. Strive for a design that enhances your overall presentation without overwhelming your content. To add text into the shape, simply double-click on it. Doing so will activate a text entry mode inside the shape, allowing you to type the words you want to display. This method is a straightforward way to merge both graphical and textual content, enhancing the clarity and engagement of your presentation. Type the desired text into the shape, ensuring that it is legible and well suited to the visual element. Once you have added your text, shift your focus to the Shape Format tab. This tab appears once you select your shape and grants you access to a variety of formatting options that help elevate the basic structure into a polished design. Within this shape format menu, locate the option to change the text's appearance. One of the options available is Text Fill. Selecting Text Fill will provide you with the ability to change the color of the text inside your shape. Choose a color that not only stands out against the shape's background, but also aligns with your overall color scheme and presentation theme. Similarly, you can further enhance your text by opting for the Text Outline feature. This option allows you to add an outline around your text, which can improve readability and make your message more prominent. When using Text Outline, take care to select an outline color that complements both the text fill and the slide's background. Following these steps will help you create visually engaging slides that combine both graphic elements and text in a balanced way. With careful attention to shapes and text styling, your PowerPoint presentation will become more dynamic and effective in conveying your message. Enjoy refining your design and experimenting with different formatting styles to best suit your presentation needs.